Well, that's it. The big wrap-up, the happy ending, the grand finale. It's over already? Well, but that's
It's
the
a
thing about
pickle
endings.
in the
They
box.
come
I
again.
cannot believe it. That's
But
so
we just saw
silly.
What are you guys doing? You didn't tell me you were watching the movie. I want to watch too.
Ma, we just finished. Show's over.
Well, you're just gonna have to rewind it.
Ma!
Uncle Max, we're gonna watch the movie.
Oh, no. Hey, I brought extra butter.
Hey, you guys are watching the movie?
Any story worth telling is worth telling twice.
What the?
Oh, excuse me.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Excuse me. Get out of the way.
Who is this crowd? Hey, down in front. Oh. Watch it. Oh. Okay, buddy, you win.
Sure you don't mind?
Hakuna Matata.
The Timon.
Now it's time for the curtain call. Let's give a hand and hear it for the team. And rah, rah, rah for Rocket. Come on, take a bow. It's your turn now. Let's hear a big hand for you. Bravo! Now, clap, 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 clap. Let's give a big cheer for the art of the day. He got snow! He got snow! The beautiful music we played. Tchaikovsky! Tchaikovsky! Hooray! Yay, Tchaikovsky! And here comes the music of the day. Listen. See you on the next mission. It's a pickle in the box.
Hi! Movie's over.